Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gaurav Nagrani, and today I'm going to be talking about a country called Slovenia. Slovenia is also called as the Republic of Slovenia, which is a small country in Central Europe, and it is mostly covered by mountains and forests. It covers an area of about 20,000 square kilometers and has a population of 2.1 million. The national flag of Slovenia features three equal horizontal bands of white, blue, and red, with coat arms of Slovenia located in the uppermost side of the flag, centered in with white and blue bands. The coat of arms is a shield with the image of the mountain Triglav, Slovenia's highest peak, in white against the blue background at the center. Beneath it are two wavy blue lines representing the Adriatic Sea and local rivers, and above it are the three single-pointed golden stars arranged in inverted triangle, which are taken from the coat of the arms as the Counts of Scilly, a great Slavonic dynastic house of the 14th and the 15th century. Slovenia is a country which is bordered by a lot of country. It is bordered by Italy to the west, Austria to the north, Hungary to the northeast, Croatia to the southeast, and Adriatic Sea to the southwest. Has a small coastline of about 20 kilometer or more. The majority of the population speaks the official language of Slovenia, which is Slovene, and the minority speaks different languages like Hungarian, Italian, Romanian, Croatian, Serbian, Germany. Immigrants are also a huge amount of population in Slovenia. They speak languages like Croatian, Serbian, English, German, and Italian. Some facts about Slovenia are they love bees. Hives and honey are practically a religion in Slovenia. There are around 90,000 beekeepers in just a population of 2 million. The youngsters and people of all generations take up beekeeping as their main career. Second, they don't like to quarrel. The annual peace index, the world leading measure of national peacefulness, puts Slovenia at the rank of seventh in 163 nations. It's one of the world's most environmental friendly nations. The Environmental Performance Index (EPI), produced by the Yale Center for the Environment Law of Policy, it is based on the assessment of policies of 180 nations, reflecting whether they are meeting international established environmental targets, or in the absence of agreed targets, how they compare on one another. Slovenia performed admirably with a rating of 88.98. Only four nations are better than Slovenia, which are Finland, Iceland, Sweden, and Denmark. Talking about the major cities of Slovenia, first is Ljubljana. Ljubljana is also the capital of Slovenia. Second, Maribor. Maribor is one of the biggest cities of Slovenia, which is also one of the biggest tourist attraction for the nation. Third is Kran. One of the biggest tourist destinations in Slovenia is the city of Maribor. It is closely situated to the border of Australia. Maribor is famous for its wine industry. There are many wine industries in the area. And other tourist attractions is the Mani Square and the Castle Square that provide a large variety of architecture. It is a very stylish city and it provides a really great attraction. The second tourist attraction is the Lake Bled. The lake is a great tourist attraction and destination. It has a huge collection of variety of fishes. Catfish, European perch are some of the common fishes that are found here. A tourist can sit here and spend quality time fishing. The lake is surrounded by mountains, which gives a more striking sight to behold. The third biggest tourist attraction is located in the southwest part of Slovenia. It is called as the Pastona Caves. It is also counted among the second longest cave in the whole world. It is a great tourist spot. It is only cave in the world that is double railway track. The cave is estimated to be 24,000 meter long. It was mainly created by Pivika River. It surely be a very dangerous journey to be traveling to a cave. The fourth tourist attraction is the Trevljak National Park. Trevljak is a national park that is located in the northwest part of Slovenia. It is actually on the highest peak of Julian Alps and is one of the best places to visit in Slovenia in summer. It was established in the year of 1981. This place has an awesome natural view. It has a vast area and every day huge number of tourists come here to explore the National Park of Slovenia. The park is actually named after Triglav, the highest mountain in Slovenia. There are very nice restaurants located within the park where you can take a halt to enjoy some refreshment. There is certainly one of the best places to visit in Slovenia. The final biggest tourist attraction is Lake Boni. Covering about 380 hectares, the lake is one of the permanent lakes in Slovenia. It is actually located within the Boni Valley of Julian Alps. The whole lake is surrounded by mountains and trees. The place has an awesome natural view. Water in the lake is like a mirror. One can partake of various water sport activities that take place near the lake. Many people also prefers to swim in the lake, while others prefer to go fishing. There are some rare species of fishes that can be observed here. It also feels nice to sit quietly in front of the lake. Some of the famous dishes of Slovenia are the Slovenian dumplings, which are originated from the city of Kostel. They are made with a combination of potatoes, eggs, crackling, garlic, salt, pepper, butter, and lard, parsley, flour, and breadcrumbs. The potatoes are peeled, washed, and grated, then mixed with the eggs, crackling, garlic, salt, pepper, and chopped parsley. The mixture is stirred and mixed with flour in order for the dough to not stick. The dough is shaped into dumplings, which are then boiled with salt water. They are then topped with breadcrumbs and clackerings and sour cream, then served on their own with with seasonal salad, or many commonly as an accompaniment to the venison. The cream lasagna is a specialty of Slovenian Lake Bled area. It is luscious cream cake with golden crispy butter pastry acting as its base. The base is topped with flavor vanilla custard, whipped cream, and a layer of thin butter dough. The whole cake is traditional dusted with iced sugar and served sliced in cubes. The story of creme lasagna begins with the arrival of a chef called Lukavic to Bled Park where he modified the Hungarian cream cake by adding the right proportion of whipped cream into it. And in the year of 1953, the hotel presented Lukavic's invention to the public. One of the other popular dishes of Slovenia is called as Kran Kosilba, internationally known as Kranolian or Kranus sauces. Kran Kosilba originates from the historical region of Kranjska, once Duchy of Kronolia, a crown land of Austrian Empire. It has the perfect meat to bacon ratio at least 80% of costly ground, good quality pork chops and 20% of bacon, seasoned with salt from Skokovi Sultan, black pepper, and garlic. Funneling the meat mixture into natural casing forms 12 to 16 centimeter long sausage that are twisted into links, tied and held together by wooden sear. The links are then pastured and the hot smoked until they are moderate reddish and brown color. To achieve what is known as the signature flour of Kranjska, it is recommended not to boil it, as it would mean overcooking it, but to simply warm it up in hot water. The other Slovenian dish is called as bograk. It is a traditional Slovenian meat stew that was supposedly invented by a Hungarian shepherd when Pajmak was under Hungarian rule. The stew consists of four types of meat: traditional pork, beef, venison, and boar, which are simply simmered along with potatoes, onions, spinach, spices, wine, optionally with mushrooms. The final dish, which is prepared in Slovenia, is known as trot. It is a alpine-fed river of fish, which is most commonly found in Slovenian menus. More oftenly, Slovenians will roll the fish in their national staple, buckwheat flour, and then fried. The which is the best of the trot comes from the region of Soka. Thank you.